only costs $4.63, $4. I like to chop them in half to get some more flavor out. And these are cooked really fast. Miso paste. Today we are going to cook one salmon head. This one I got in the Asian market actually. $4.63, $4. So cheap. So you can make a whole meal. This is a big pot of soup for whole family. Under $10. So cheap.
Thank you, Pear Eyewear, for sponsoring this video. My kids are bored with their glasses frames. That's why we choose Pear Eyewear. Their glasses come with changeable top frames, and we pick 3 each. They can change their eyewear frame anytime they want.
I like this one.
I have never seen my kids so excited to wear glasses. I love Pear Eyewear because they are an extension of my kids' personalities. They are magnetic and easy to put together. You can put them in the front pocket of this cute case. Today, he decided to put on the sunshades to go to school. Those top frames are so affordable, only $25 each, $60 for the base frame. It's very easy to pick out glasses on their website. First, you pick out your base frame, then you pick out the top frames. You can try on many different designs virtually. There is a camera on their website so you can measure your pupillary distance using a credit card. It is so much easier for me to order online than drag my kids to a store. Also, when you buy a pair, they donate a pair to a child in need. Click the link in description box for 15% off for your first pair.
And this salmon head still has a lot of meat on the cheek, the salmon meat. First, some water. Look at this. Look at this. This is the brush I like to use. In China, when I grew up with my grandma, this is what she used to wash the wok. We're marinated for 15 minutes with the cooking wine. So here I use a Chinese cooking wine. Also, we believe in Chinese cooking wine, we use marinated meat or seafood. Get rid of this fishy flavor. Stuff in the head. Few pieces of ginger in the marinade. We're gonna do some chopping. Don't ruin my clothes. Because this salmon head, you can see, it's a whole head. It's not split in half. I like to chop it in half to get some more flavor out. You can see how much salmon, the meat still in here. Here we move to the chopping board. You can have the fish place to chop it for you. Not bad. See this? All right, cut in half. Hot wok, cold oil. I use the canola oil, or you call it rapeseed oil. So when your oil is hot, we're going to put in the salmon. No, this is a lot of liquid here. You don't want to splatter in your eyes. Carefully put in. A few pieces of ginger. We're going to pan fry this, get a little bit brown on both sides. I don't know, I have friends in Minnesota afraid of never seeing a whole fish before. Oh my God, scared. Whole fish, never seen the head and tail, I don't know. Just keep turning, getting some color. Next, some hot water. So we have enough water to cover the whole head. Okay, it's boiling, so the soup will get whiter and whiter while you're boiling. Or while your soup is cooking, you turn on medium heat. We cut some tofu, get all other vegetables ready. Today I'm using the soft tofu. Depends, maybe you like a firm one, that's fine too. Enoki mushrooms, and those are fresh Shiitake mushrooms. You can also use the dried one, so it adds more flavor. Or tofu last. And this mushroom, you just just put in like that. And these are cooked really fast. Medium low for over 10 minutes. So when you see the soup getting whiter and whiter, yeah, that's probably ready. Then we can add tofu now. Fully mix this in to the soup. Miso paste. If you don't like miso, you don't have to add in. I'll mix the soup with miso paste though, so easier to mix in the soup. Since the miso paste is pretty salty, you're gonna taste your soup if you need more salt. Some white pepper. Pretty good. I don't think you need more salt. So now it's time to serve. In China, we usually serve with big bowl on the table. Then you take your soup on your own bowl. Hello, 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 hello. Soup for you. The umami flavor. You can taste the salmon and the mushroom. So much flavor in here. And if you like this recipe, give a thumbs up, subscribe so you can see more Chinese Asian food next time.